There's Toby.
Hey, Toby. How you doing, buddy?
See, I peed on my leash.
Oh, did you really?
Hey.
You did. Hey.
I won't even get close to you. He'll bite you.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to
Eat
be
your ass
bit.
up.
I want to be bit.
Eat your ass up.
Man, he's a lot bigger than I thought.
Well, he's not as big. He's just long leg. I'll show you. Come here. Get down there. Get down there. Get down there and get off of me.
No.
There.
Stay back. You better keep hold of that thing.
I got him.
That leash is going to come off his butt.
Nah, I got him. Toby, come here. Hey, get up here. Get up here and sit down. Say,
He
hey,
likes
Mike.
you. You just stay back.
Hey, Mike. He
Holy.
weighs 11 pounds.
I believe it.
Yeah, his arm is rich and so strong. It's so long.
And he's not friendly.
He used to be real friendly to his nuts dropped.
Oh.
When his nuts dropped, he ain't friendly no more. We're going to get him castrated.
Oh, good for you.
All right, buddy, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Don't pull off me.
You just stay.
Quit that. Quit it. I'll pop you.
Hey,
Come here. Get up here. You quit this.
you just go over that way.
He's not friendly.
He is not friendly. I don't like that monkey. Rudy, I'll see you later, buddy. Hey, this was great. What a nice pet. Just.
Hey,
I tell you what. You don't have to worry about anybody coming in your house.
sir, it's a big cage to get up. Hey, get up here. Get up here. Sit down.
I'll see you later.
I knew you didn't want to see him.
Hey, that's the last time I'm gonna. Huh?
He used to be so friendly.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Hey, when his nuts dropped, the doctor said we got to take him out.
All right.
Hey, get off this, head off. Hey. Get your ass up here.
Hey, thanks, Rudy. It was great. No, don't you open that door.
He loves to run.
You get out of here.
He loves to run.
Get out of here.
That's my wife.
Hey, I'm going to call the police.